Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Effie and I have a new job lead for you right away. So today's job lead is brought to you by Indeed and it's under BCA. So before you just continue, kindly, if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now. Thank you for doing that. So please, if you subscribe, you will be getting new remote opportunities, job leads every single day, because this is what I do for you and for me. So let me just take you through the description of this job. BCA need a part-time online clerk, and it's temporarily remote and home-based, so you can just start right away so that you can grab this opportunity while it's still remotely. And the job details, they're offering to pay a salary of around 13,500 euros per year. So this sounds like a great opportunity. And the job time is full time and it's temporary. I've told you before, it's temporarily remote due to the pandemic. So the job description, let me just take you through. You'll be working around 22.5 hours per week, and they are offering a salary 13,500 euros plus benefits. And the working hours, rather the working days, will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. and Friday 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And it's also open to occasional overtime on a Saturday. And this job status is also permanent, like 100% permanent and temporarily remote. So the key responsibilities that will be assigned to you will include running online sales day to day, ensuring that all company processes are followed with regard to the sales of vehicles to reduce mistakes and risk to the company. So I will just put the link to the description on this job right away so that I do not waste any of your time and you apply right away after watching this video. Good luck.